Do you have a property that you have sold and you require providing vacant possession to the new purchaser, but you don't know where to start? Over the next few minutes, I'm going to provide you with some information of termination of tenancy by way of cash for keys. Because this process can be rather overwhelming, I have put together a free cheat sheet that you can follow. Drop me a line below and I will send it to you. There's no email or opt-in of any kind that's required. This is my gift to you for watching this video. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Bita Delisi. My background lies in real estate and property management. I am a landlord myself, and I'm also the owner of Stonegate Legal Services. I have helped hundreds of landlords with their tenancy matters, and I want to help you with yours. In every single video, you're going to get at least one strategy that you can implement in your business as a landlord that will give you edge over your tenant. In this video, we're going to talk about the cash for keys. Cash for keys is a more proactive strategy or more proactive process in terminating tenancy. A cash for keys proposal will be drafted by a legal representative who is well versed with the Residential Tenancies Act. It's important that any legal representative is well versed with the Residential Tenancies Act because they're going to be facilitating the process from start to finish. They will be drafting an enticing proposal to be sent to the tenant with options to terminate tenancy. These options are also linked to compensation. Compensation can be anywhere from $5,000, $7,000. We've also had some landlords terminate tenancy going up to as high as $100,000 or $150,000. We're not saying to offer that much to terminate tenancy. We're just saying that this is sometimes the route that landlords have to proceed to in order to obtain a termination of tenancy. If the tenant agrees, a consent agreement will be signed by all parties along with the N11 agreement to end the tenancy. These two agreements are married to one another, and what that means is that they can be signed together and filed with the board together. The N11 is an agreement to end the tenancy, a mutual agreement to end the tenancy. We refer to this as the Incredible Hulk because it's such a heavily weighted agreement. The reason it's so heavily weighted is because at the time that it's signed, all parties are agreeing to dissolve the tenancy, which makes it rather difficult to dispute at the board if one party changes their mind, which is usually the tenant. Once the N11 and consent agreement are filed with the board will then issue an ex parte order. And an ex parte order is just a fancy legal term for an eviction order without a hearing. So you're bypassing the delays and the time period it takes to get to the landlord and tenant board. However, what you need to know is that under tenants' rights, tenants have 10 days from the date that the board issues the order in order to put a hold or stay on the eviction. If they do that, the board will then hold a hearing, usually about 4 to 8 weeks after the stay is put on the eviction. Tenants usually do this because they're getting tenants' remorse or cold feet for whatever reason. Rents are getting higher in the area, they feel that they've been stressed or coerced, or there was duress applied for them to sign the agreements. For whatever reason, they have the right to put a hold or stay on the eviction. If they do that, the board will then issue a notice of hearing 4 to 8 weeks later. Again, the N11 is very difficult to dispute. The cash for keys is a quicker alternative to ending the tenancy. Again, because the process can be rather overwhelming, I have put together a free cheat sheet that you can follow. Drop me a line below and I will send it to you. Remember, there's no opt-in or email of any kind that's required. This is my gift for watching this video. If you have any questions regarding cash for keys, drop us a line below.